First year we had 700 applications, and last year, after 5 years, we had 7,800, so 10 times more.
What do you think about generational trends? I mean, at this point, I guess most applicants are Gen Z or what's called Gen Alpha.
Alpha, yeah. I know that when I talk to an international student, I must try to foresee what is his next question, their next question.
If a university or another educational institution is trying to understand what kind of tools and software to use, how would you guide them? What criteria should they be mindful of in terms of finding the right tool?
For us, it was something for the first time tailored to our needs. And I always remember when I had the first call with the IT support, I had someone not from Pavia, but from Estonia, talking to me and understanding me. So we had the same language. It was it was telling me about applicants. It was telling me, oh, what happens if they, I don't know, miss a document in their file? What happens if, and to me, that was very comforting. I felt understood.
Whether I make a decision to admit someone or not admit someone, this can have a major impact on their careers and their lives. I'm curious, what's your relationship with this thing? Is this kind of a pressure that you feel you have to transcend, or is this does this have a positive impact on your day-to-day work and motivation?
As I always say, and also it should be here somewhere, may the student in you live forever.